Reina Tolentino and I'll be the teacher.
I am Vince Miranda and I am the assistant teacher.
I am Sophie Alviola and I am a confident learner.
I am Lovin Molina and I am an average learner.
And I am Sandara Arbay, a doubtful learner and has low self-efficacy.
Hello, class. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, class.
Alright, everyone. So today we're going to test not just your math skills, but also your belief in yourself.
That's right. Welcome to our confidence experiment. Let's see how self-efficacy affects how we solve a problem.
So here's the challenge. You'll each solve a math puzzle. But first, rate how confident you are before starting. So 1 means I'm totally unsure. And then 5 means I got this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's say, Sophie, you first. What is your confidence level?
Good morning, ma'am. So I can say I can have a solid 5 since I practiced the same problem last night.
Good job! I love that energy. That's why high self-efficacy looks like confidence built from preparation. How about you, Sandara?
Maybe a 2, ma'am, because I get nervous with numbers.
That's okay, Sandara. What matters is your willingness to try. We'll work on that together, okay?
Ma'am.
Yes, lovely. How about you? How confident are you?
I'd say a 3, ma'am, because I'm not scared but not sure either. It depends if my brain cooperates today.
Okay. Fair answer. Confidence sometimes change, and that's normal. Alright, class. I sent an activity in NGC, so kindly answer it right away. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
So Sophie works with focus, meaning she has high self-efficacy, while Sandara, she kind of hesitates. So I think she still has low self-efficacy, while Loveling, on the other hand, I think she seeks help. So I think she has developing self-efficacy.
Good observation, Vince. Alright, time's up. So now let's talk about how did you feel after solving the problems? Did your confidence change?
Mine stayed high, ma'am, because I practiced last night and I'm confident about my answers.
Yes, lovely.
I'm at a 4 now. Talking through the steps helped me understand better.
And lastly, Sandara.
Honestly, ma'am, I'm surprised. I got 2 right and maybe I can do math. And I would rate myself as 3 now.
That's the spirit, Sandara. See yourself the leader of your trying. That's exactly what we want. Grow yourself. So class, what did you learn today? Sophie?
I think, ma'am, believing that you can do something makes it easier for you to succeed.
Lalene?
I think it's okay to ask for help, ma'am. Learning is a process.
Yes, Sandara?
That I should give myself a chance before saying I can't.
Good job. Beautiful answers. Self-efficacy isn't about being perfect. It's about believing you can improve. From now on, we'll use confidence, training skills, and reflection forms after activities, okay? So we can track their progress.
And as teachers, we will use those results to encourage and support each learner differently, based on what they need the most.
Because every learner deserves to believe, I can do it.
Because confidence